Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the music to your playlist in the SoundCloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the search button at the bottom of the page. And at the search bar, just look for the music that you want to add. And if you found it, just click on the three dots next to it. And then click on the Add to Playlist button. And then if you create the playlist, you can save it here. Or you can create a playlist by clicking on the plus sign. And once you gave your playlist a name, you can just save it and it is added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.